Democracy for Citizens Party DCP leader Rigathi Gachagua has condemned what he described as government-backed attack on a church in Othaya, Nyeri County. He criticized Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen for suggesting that police can investigate themselves following the incident. Gachagua claimed that officers used official vehicles to ferry armed assailants. He thanked church members for their prayers and appealed for continued support after hours of uncertainty over his safety. Meanwhile, the National Police Service has launched investigations into the incident, which occurred at 𝐍𝐢𝐬𝐬𝐿 Church at around 11 a.m.
I've heard Murkomen saying that they are going to investigate. How can Murkomen investigate himself? How do police investigate themselves? These people came with a police vehicle, GK vehicle, GKB 765X, and another one from our police station that ferried goons and police officers from Muranga. But we want to thank the church, and I want to tell our people to continue praying. God is in control.
Speaking at AIC Mwatungo in Machakos County, former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka strongly condemned the incident at 𝐍𝐢𝐬𝐬𝐿 Church in Othaya, Nyeri, describing it as a serious threat to Kenya's democracy and the safety of its leaders. Kalonzo warned that security of national leaders must never be compromised, adding that any harm to Rigathi Gachagua would have grave consequences for the country.
Remember, kulikuwa nyakati zile watu kama Matiba waliwekwa kizuizini, lakini kabla Kibaki kutuacha sisi atuachie urithi wa maana, that there cannot be detention without trial. William Ruto amejua, kwa sababu hiyo ni kinyume, ameleta mambo ya abduction bila trial.
Still on the same, Public Service Minister Geoffrey Ruku has condemned the promotion of tribal politics in Kenya. Speaking at World Harvest Church in Chuka, Igamba Ng'ombe, Tharaka Nithi County, Ruku criticized former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua over Sunday's incident at a church in Othaya, Nyeri County. Ruku warned that such actions risk dividing Kenyans and undermining national unity.
Tuliona hiyo mchezo ambao alikuja naye hapa mbele North, anapepa wahuni, goons wengi au guns wako na mpaka buduki, wako na mpaka tiangas, wako na marungu, ni wakora hatari. Aliwapepa hapa mbele North, akaweka kwa kila polling station. Leo tumeona the same pale Othaya, mahali alikuwa anaenda kwa kanisa, amepepa guns, amepepa watu ambao wako na guns and tiangas.
Away from that, Deputy President Kindiki has urged parents to take their children to grade 10 immediately with or without fees, insisting that the president's directive must be followed. Speaking in Maembe, Soin, Singowet constituency in Kericho County, Kindiki said the transition rate has reached 92% and expressed confidence that full transition will be achieved by the end of the week. He also defended the affordable housing program and the social health authority, saying the initiatives have created more than 500,000 jobs for young people and are on track to reach 1 million by December.
Nyinyi mumesikia kwa mara ya kwanza hii dispensary yetu hii inaitwa aje hii ya Maemba. Hii dispensary governor wetu wa Kericho ametuambia last week hii dispensary imetumiwa 1.2 million shillings kwa hii dispensary. Na hiyo ni pesa imetumwa kutoka SHA kwa hii dispensary.
Parents and board management at Elsa Secondary School in Burat Ward, Isiolo County have protested the transfer of Principal John Bosco Akale, calling it irregular and demanding his reinstatement. Officials sent to hand over the school to the new principal were met with resistance with parents and board members, saying the Teacher Service Commission acted without consultation. They praised Mr. Akale's leadership, citing improved KCSE results and strong community ties, while questioning the incoming principal's record.
Hii ni shule tumetengeneza na akili yetu, na hakuna vile tunaweza kuambiwa ati tunashushwa ati sisi sio wananchi, sisi sio wa Kenya, we are Kenyans. Yes. Na tusikizwe. Kwa nini tusisikizwe? Tunasema tusikizwe na lazima tusikizwe, na tujue kwa nini Akale anakaa kama anafukuzwa Isiolo baada ya Victoria imekuwa Machakos. Kwa nini tunaletewa mwalimu mwingine ambaye
akona poor records kutoka mahali alitoka, na sisi kama watu wa hii shule tangu akale akuja kwa hii shule baada ya ile mwalimu mwingine kuondoka. Hata ukiangalia kule nyuma yako kuna boarding school, kuna boarding dormitory, kuna toilets, kuna classes hapa nyuma yote, ma classes zimejengwa kutoka huko yote mpaka 5 classes amejenga. The school is computerized. Ukiangalia ile chombo watoto wanasomea ni ya computer.
In Kericho, the Ministry of Agriculture has distributed hybrid pineapple seedlings to farmers in Kisiara Ward, Bureti Sub-County in Kericho County. Over 100 farmers each received 20 seedlings as part of efforts to promote modern high-yield crop varieties. Farmers welcomed the initiative, noting that older varieties were slow to mature and yielded poor returns. They expressed hope that the new hybrids will boost production, increase household incomes, and enhance food security in the region. And that's it from the Eastleigh Voice News Desk. I'm Zainab Said.